Hi, this is Jillian Laricella for Edit 4020. I'm very excited to share my final project, which is an exercise app that I created called Jet. And Jet's main purpose is really to maximize your workout because I developed it based off of my own experiences and my friends' experiences with using exercise apps that don't really incorporate all that they want to incorporate in a workout or exercise app. And so I thought of all the things that I would want to include in an app along with my friends and peers and what they would see as the best aspects of an exercise app to make sure it maximizes their own personal experience. And so I use that in this app in order to make it the best option for the array of exercise apps that are available. And so my target audience for this app, I really didn't specify an age group or gender or anything like that because it's really just aimed at smartphone users and people who are health and exercise conscious because about 58% of smartphone users actually have downloaded health exercise apps to their phones, to their mobile devices. And so that's a large percentage. And so just to target that percentage alone is pretty drastic. And I just want to be able to target those individuals that, are more health and exercise conscious. So now when I go to the app that I created using Marvel app, this is the first screen that you'll get once you open up the app. And so you have the option to log in with Facebook. I wanted to include that as an option just because I want to give users the option to connect with friends over the app and also be able to post their workouts and be able to share like the routes that they used or anything to their friends. There's also the option to log in or sign up. I'll start by clicking the sign up, and it's just pretty straightforward. It's just signing up with your email, make a password, and just creating an account. And that whole aspect of creating an account I thought was important for my app just to make sure that all your information is saved to your profile. But if you already have an account, you can log in, put in your information, sign in. So here's the main page. It's your profile that opens up into. And I put my name in here just as kind of an example. And so this is the main page where you can look at what you've done this week, and that's the first information you'll be able to see just right off the bat. If you want to start a workout, you can go ahead and do that. You're able to click through an array of options for what exactly your workout will be, and it'll kind of tailor what you're doing in the app or what the app is tracking compared to what you're actually doing. And then you can press go and start your workout, and it'll be timed. Your pace will be calculated, your distance, your energy, all that. And also, while this is happening, you can calculate your heart rate, track yourself, listen to music. I'll get to that in a second, though. So if you want to stop your workout, that will lead you to your weekly workouts, and you can look at the past week, all that you've been doing, and comparing your workout of today to the past week's data. And if you want to look more specifically at each section, you can click, this is heart rate. I can go to the heart rate tab, and I put in here that after looking into this, you have to press your index finger to the camera in order to track your heart rate. And so I put that in to make sure the users know that that's how they would do that, and it would just kind of show, the rate at which your heart is beating and give you, the time that you tested it and what how exactly, beats per minute, what your heart rate was. And so I have that here. So that covers heart rate, that covers profile. If you want to go to tracker, you can go here and it tracks your location. You also have the option to start tracking, which that'll just highlight the route that you go on, and then you have the option to share that on Facebook with your friends to show, cool running route that you went on, or just if you want to be able to track where you are specifically, if you're not really sure where if you're just running on a trail you've never been on before, you're able to track where exactly you went so you can follow and trace back your steps. Another aspect I included is music. You're able to download playlists going into the music libraries. And so I personally use Apple Music, so I included the Apple Music library in here, and you were able to go in and download playlists. Go back, go into music, and then also settings. That was another tab I included because it's just so important to be able to regulate what exactly an app does on your phone. So I want to be able to regulate notifications, posting to Facebook, and then I wanted to be able to connect this app into your Apple Health app on your iPhone already, just to be able to connect the two, because a lot of people, their Apple Health app is constantly running, constantly keeping track of your footsteps and everything. So if you forget to open up the Jet app, your Apple Health will be able to track what you're doing. And so I just wanted those two to be compatible to make sure that you're getting the best results and data for your workouts. So that about covers all of the tabs in my app, and I thought a lot about what exactly I wanted from an exercise app, and I talked to my peers, I talked to athletes at University of Georgia, and just to be able to narrow it down to these key components, I think they really maximize your workout and give you the best data for you to use in your working out, regardless if that's just going to the gym, going for a run, playing sports. It really gives you all these key components in order to really get the most out of what you're doing. And so I hope you enjoyed it.